Hello guys, today I am here to show you how to make thumbnails for your YouTube videos. No matter whatever niche you have selected for your YouTube channel, for all the types of niche you need an eye-catching thumbnail. So without wasting time, let's get started. So when you open Pixel Lab for first time, its interface looks something like this. Many templates are given and many editing options are also given below. So first we have to convert our size to YouTube size. So select image size and click on custom and click on YouTube thumbnail and hit OK. So it converts the canvas to YouTube thumbnail size. Otherwise, if you want, you can select one of these templates if you like. Let's see, there are many templates given. Yeah, this one is good, but I want YouTube size and I have my own image, so I'm selecting YouTube thumbnail and hit OK. Now we need some good background. So Pixel Lab already provides some of the background. You can watch them here. These are good backgrounds. Just you can select one of them. Just select one of them and just click on take. So I have my own background, so just click from gallery and select your image and just hit OK. Yeah. Now let's go to the text. Just add a text. Double click on the text and write there whatever text you have, whatever you want to write on the thumbnail. I'm writing tech tube. Just hit OK, and you can adjust it, your size you can adjust, or from the curve you can rotate it just like this. Yeah, so let's adjust the size however you want. Yeah, now I'm perfect with the size. Now let's go and select the color. You can even select gradient, and you can put stroke. Just click on enable, and then it's a little bit shadow, and just click on tick, and then inner shadow, and then a little bit of emboss, and just click hit OK. And let's go and add a reflection. It looks good. So basically looks very good to me. So now I want to save it. Now how do I save it? Just this option you can see right after the plus sign in the up, yeah, there, and just click on save as image and just select the format, which format you want. I'm selecting here JPEG. Do not change the size and just hit save button. Guys, if you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe the channel for more videos like this, and if you want a full tutorial on Pixel Lab, then please write in comment section. Meet you in the next video. Till then, take care.